In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner and either use camera section to take a picture that will be automatically attached, or scroll down to click on all of those you wanna add. If you can't find them, use Photos or Collections sections. You can also click on the search bar. When you're done, hit Done at the bottom right corner and send all of your pictures instantly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!